All right, we're now looking at more about slope and a little bit of algebra, but we're looking here at a number of points. And remember, we're looking at parallel lines, meaning lines that have the exact same steepness or the exact same slope. So it looks to me like this question is saying, hey, there's some points A, B, C, and D. Now D is not given. It says they're all given, but no, they're not. D has X, comma, Y, and we don't know what D is. But, oh, we're supposed to find D, determine D. Oh, and D is on the y-axis. So it gives us a bit of a hint. We don't know where D is, except for it's on the y-axis. And we want to make the line CD and the line AB parallel. Well, it gives us A and it gives us B. So A is 2 comma negative 5. So we're going to go over 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is our A. Now this program is very buggy right now, so we'll see what happens here. B is negative 2 comma 1. So I'm going to go over 2, left 2, and up 1. Remember, negative means left, and then positive is right, and negative is down, positive is up. Okay, so that's our line AB. We can connect those. And we need to create a parallel line CD. Now, lucky for us, we do have C. C is given. Okay, so C is 3 comma 1. So 3 to the right and down 1. That is the program screwing up, but that is C. So there's C, and we need to find D. And we need to make sure that they have the same slope, that this line CD that we're going to make has the same slope as AB. So we need to find the slope of AB. So I've started here, M of AB, the slope of AB equals the rise over the run, and my computer's gone blank. Now the rise between them, if you start at B and you head down, I think it's going to be, and I'm a little scared with my computer, but I think it's going to go down 6 over 4. So I'm just going to confirm that, and if it freezes, I'll pop on back here, but down 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so minus 6, and right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that can be reduced to a negative 3 over 2. So we need to make sure that our D is also the same slope. I'm not too concerned about the negative. What I do like is this idea of up 3 over 2. So that's the kind of slope that we need to have. So I need to make sure I have that slope. Now I did realize here that C needs to be 4 comma negative 1. So I don't know why I had it 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 comma negative 1. So this is C. Whoops. So C is going to be right there. And I want to make sure it has a slope of 3 over 2. Up 3 over 2. So I'm going to do that. Up 3 over 2. So if I ended there, those lines would be parallel. But it's not on the y-axis. So I'll keep going. Up 3 over 2. And there you have it. It lands right on there. That is our D. So our D is 0, comma, what is that point? So over 0 and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, comma 5. So if I have the point 0, comma 5 for my D, then the line CD is parallel to the line AB. Okay, and you can connect the lines, and there you have it. So we can go on to example 2. And then we'll see. Now here, point A is not completely unknown. It's partly known. Now B, C, and D are. And looks to me like A and B are going to be joined. They usually are. And then C and D are joined together to make a line. So that part is pretty straightforward. Determine the x coordinate of A. Okay, beautiful. And oh, we want to make sure, of course, that it's parallel. So let's start by graphing C and D. So C here is right 2, down 4. So that's our C. And then our D is right by 5 and down 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down 2. Okay. So this is our line. And we need to make sure it's parallel. So let's first find what is the slope of this thing. So what's our rise and what's our run? So start on the left. rise up 2, excuse my voice there, and right 1, 2, 3. So they're both positive. Up is positive and right is positive. So our slope is 2/3. Okay, so I need to make a point A to go with my point B that also has that same slope. Okay, so what is point B? Point B is over 1, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's off the graph even, just a little bit. So it's right there. Okay, so we have our point B, which, oops, I will label just in case I forget. So that's our B. And so we need A. Now, A is going to be over something and up 3. So I don't know where it should be. So what if it was over 1, up 3? So what if it was here? Right? Well, then, do those look, you can see it's fading here because something's not working, but do those look parallel? It's like, well, no, they don't. So let's try a different spot. So what if our point was maybe over 2 and up 3? Because it has to go up 3, and maybe our D is right there. Do these lines look parallel? It's like, well, obviously not. So we need to find somewhere that goes up 3 that is parallel. Now we could guess and check, but we have this interesting thing about rising up 2 and running 3. So what happens if we took this point and did a rise up 2 and over 3? That's what we're going to check. So you could go up 2 and over 3, but that's way off the graph. So what I'll do instead is I'll go down 2 and 1, 2, 3. I'll go that way. Now that's not the height that we need this thing to be. So let's go down 2 over 1, 2, 3. So is this the spot? Well, it is 3 high. So and we needed it to be, remember our A point here is x comma 3. So it needs to be over something and up 3. And sure enough, over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 to the left, up 3. So our point would be 5 to the left and up 3. And that's exactly what we needed this thing to be. It needs to have the 3, check. And we needed to find this number. We found it to be -5. And the slope follows the same pattern. This down 2 in the red and 3. Down 2, 3. And if I connect those dots, if the computer will let me, then you would probably see that they would look very, very much the same, very parallel. So I think that's it for this one. Hopefully the next set of notes won't be so buggy, but we'll have to just see how this goes.